Hey, I'm Eva. Welcome to the Russian with Eva. Today we're diving into two sneaky little words that love to confuse beginners: хотя and нехотя. Don't worry if they look similar. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use each one. So, grab your coffee, put on your learning hat, and let's make Russian fun together. Хотя, although, or even though. This word connects two contrasting ideas in one sentence. Use хотя when you want to show that something happens, despite another situation. It's like saying but or however in English. Отдых в Италии прекрасный, хотя не дешевый. A holiday in Italy is wonderful, although it isn't cheap. Я смотрю шорты уже час, хотя очень хочу спать. I've been watching shorts for an hour, although I really want to sleep. Дети гуляют на улице, хотя на улице мороз. The children are playing outside, although it's freezing. Я сегодня работаю, хотя я болею. I'm working today, although I'm sick. Guys, if you find the video helpful, don't forget to like the video and drop a comment. Нехотя, reluctantly or unwillingly. This word describes the way someone does an action, without enthusiasm or desire. Use нехотя when someone does something but doesn't really want to do it. It shows the person's attitude toward the action. Это Оля. Она хочет похудеть, но слишком любит свой диван и сериалы. По утрам она нехотя идет на тренировку, а вечером нехотя без аппетита ест салат. Хотя ей трудно, она все-таки старается менять свою жизнь. This is Oля. Ola wants to lose weight, but loves her couch and TV shows too much. In the mornings, she reluctantly goes to her workout, and in the evenings, she reluctantly eats salad without any appetite. Although it's hard for her, she still tries to change her life. Катя – интроверт. Она любит одиночество и тишину. Звонок в дверь. Пришли подруги. Она нехотя открывает дверь и просит их зайти. Хотя она хочет побыть одна, она улыбается и делает чай. Katya is an introvert. She loves solitude and silence. The doorbell rings. Her friends have come. She reluctantly opens the door and asks them to come in. Although she wants to be alone, she smiles and makes tea. Это Алиса. Она не любит школу. Она нехотя идет в школу каждое утро. Хотя ей не нравится учиться, она приходит на уроки вовремя. This is Alyssa. She doesn't like school. She goes to school reluctantly every morning. Although she doesn't like studying, she arrives to class on time. Это Марк. Он любит баскетбол, а его мама любит музыку. Поэтому сегодня у Марка урок музыки. Он нехотя играет на пианино. Хотя он мечтает играть в баскетбол, он сейчас сидит за пианино. This is Mark. He loves basketball, and his mother loves music. So today Mark has a music lesson. He plays the piano reluctantly. Although he dreams of playing basketball, he is now sitting at the piano. Это Ваня. Он любит пиццу и гамбургеры, но сегодня дома суп. Он очень недоволен. Он нехотя ест суп. Мама не разрешает ему есть пиццу и гамбургеры часто, хотя он очень любит фастфуд. This is Vanya. He loves pizza and hamburgers, but today there is soup at home. He is very unhappy. He eats the soup reluctantly. His mom doesn't allow him to eat pizza and hamburgers often, although he really loves fast food.